What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bethos Kicks. So again today we're gonna go ahead and be taking a look at this particular pair that I got from GOAT. It just arrived recently. If you guys watched part 1 of the video, make sure to go check it out. Link is down below, or I'll put it right up there for you guys to hear the story about these and where they came from. So anyways, in this video we're gonna go ahead and legit check this pair I got from GOAT. We're also gonna be hitting it with the infamous black light. So we're going to be taking a look to see if these are legit. Let's go. As always, let's start off with the box first. Here's the lid. Here is the size label, the suggested retail price. Here's what appears to be the Flight Club tag, men's size 9, as you can see. Now let's look inside the box. Tissue paper. Alright, no stamps or stickers. The only thing it does have is the YD inside. Here is the bottom of the box. Inside the box lid, there is no stickers or stamps either. Alright, let's go ahead and get nice and up close, detailed look for you guys. Let's go ahead and get into the insides to see the tag, and I'll show you guys the shoe trees and the cardboard insoles and stuff like that. Let's go. Alright, so this is inside the sneaker. This is what it looks like. Okay. This is inside the shoe. And the tag is, there is a tag, hopefully you guys can see it. Size 9, factory code is L and M. See right there is the shoe tree, as you can see right there. This is the back of the shoe tree. Molded sock liner right there. Insole, size 9. Back of the insole does have that little stamp, little like a pen mark stamp thing right there, and as you can see on the text right here, AJ11, men's US size 9. We're gonna go ahead and hit this sneaker with the black light. It's actually very dark in here. I'm surprised how good lighting my camera gets right now. Go over the shoe, see if anything pops out, any pen marks. We're also looking at the midsole for any stamps. Flip it over in the back now. Nothing on the back end, nothing is glowing. There is glue residue on the midsole, which is actually very normal for this particular sneaker. As I have checked my retail pair that I personally picked up from Foot Locker, and nothing seems to be popping. Let's go ahead and flip it over to the bottom in just a second. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the bottom. No stamp so far, nothing like that. Everything looks good. Let's check the box label. Alright, here's the front of the box. Let's go ahead and hit it with the black light. Okay, looks good so far. No stamps or anything like that up there. Top also, everything looks good. Alright guys, so there it is. Conclusion, the sneaker is good, legit, it's good. Everything checks out. There's no stamps, there's no ghost marks, there's no nasty glue factory smell. They smell just like my retail. They look, cuts, shape, everything just like my retail. So these are good. GOAT came through. Again, if you want to find out the little story behind why I even got these shoes, make sure to check out part 1, and that'll be listed down below for you guys. I'm definitely gonna try to see if I can grab another pair from GOAT. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the SZ, which is the one I wanted to compare to my retail, and that's the one folks are saying that are supposedly fake because they come with the China tag on the bottom of the shoe, and inside it does not say men's US size. It has the centimeter circle like a lot of the fakes that people know out there. So definitely going to be doing that hopefully pretty soon. They are a little bit more expensive since they are a US size 12. So we're going to go ahead and be pulling the trigger on another pair. Hopefully this time it can come through, because this one here was a little bit of a headache. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate you guys. I might have a replica top tier coming pretty soon, so we could do a retail store versus GOAT versus replica to finally break the ice, so you guys can know what's out there, to educate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Beto's Kicks. I appreciate everybody for coming through, and I will see you guys to the next one. Peace.